When I was out in the greenhouse just now introducing a segment on some soil that I found in one of the soil bins there, I had the zoom on this video camera really tight, so all that you saw was one eye and part of my nose on my face, and I decided if you saw that, you would probably turn the video off really quickly and not hear what I had to say. So instead of subjecting you to that, I decided to reshoot inside. And this is what I'm trying to do, is introduce a type of soil that I saw in the greenhouse, and it was very different from the soil we had out in the field. Out in the field, it was a lot of clay and some silt, hardly any sand at all, and the soil was very velvety to the touch. This soil is quite different, in part because there's a lot more sand in the soil, and also there's a large amount of organic matter. So take a look at the differences. Has quite a bit of sand in it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the particles of sand, but there are some light bits in there. When I rub it between my fingers, it feels gritty. I do feel some floweriness in there and a little bit of smoothness from clay. So it's a real mixture, but the biggest difference here is that this material has more sand in it. It's going to have great drainage compared to the clay that was outside. If I were planting in the greenhouse, I still wouldn't use this type of soil because it's too heavy a mineral soil, but it would be great to mix with, say, some peat moss to make a potting mix that I might use for my beans. Another thing I wanted to mention was the way a soil like this that has a mixture of soil types, including sand in its texture, but also has good organic matter. You can tell there's a lot of organic matter in here. Roots and things in here are decomposing. Is when you grasp it, and I'm really trying to squeeze this, you notice it forms a clump in my hand. And I can break that clump up into smaller pieces. This is really nice aggregation, and it's going to have good aeration porosity. There's no way I could have done that out in the field. Those chunks were just too hard. There wasn't as much organic matter, and there was so much clay. But with this material, squeeze it, form a clump that kind of hangs together, but still will break apart easily. Oh, if I were a plant, that's what I'd want to grow in.